Hello, and welcome to the Dell Technologies Customer Solutions Centre here in Limerick, Ireland. I'm Mike Hayes, and I'm part of our Edge Solutions organisation. Central to our philosophy around manufacturing edge is to actually deliver the outcomes that are required for manufacturing, things like yield optimisation or predictive maintenance. And to that end, what we have done is taken an approach around what we refer to as validated designs. We have established partnerships with industry-leading software vendors in manufacturing to address the speed to the outcome. And what this allows the manufacturer to do is to extend their IT infrastructure capability right out to the manufacturing edge. We have just launched our PowerEdge XR 4000, and this really is a game changer. Unparalleled levels of availability within the box, again, enabling you to run all different kinds of workloads based on artificial intelligence, machine learning, analytics, HPC, and all of these different technologies that can deliver these manufacturing outcomes. With everything we do at Dell Technologies, it has to be secure, all the way from the hardware up through the data and into the application stacks that will run and deliver the outcomes at the manufacturing edge. And that's a big focus of our work with Intel at the moment, to build the PowerEdge XR line of servers to meet these unique requirements out in the factory and in these manufacturing environments. If you want to help transform your manufacturing today, reach out to your Dell Technologies account team. Thank you.